These pillows reminds me of my old place, don't they? Let's unbox this thing. Selamat pagi! Good morning everyone, Kenneth here, and today we are going to be unboxing the KZ S1. And yes, finally, KZ S1 is right here. So a little story behind this is it's so hard to get in contact with them. I don't really want to use Chinese, so I tried English and they reply very slowly and very unclear. Yeah, just like the recent coronavirus outbreak makes it even harder for me to get this because people don't work in China. So the moment I bought my ticket back to Indonesia, I just bought this right away. So yeah, the one I bought here is gray version, and this is the KZ S1, not S1D, because that doesn't support dual mode. Only the KZ S1, the two drivers one, the balanced armature and the dynamic drivers. So let's take a look at the box real quick here. On the front, we have the logo itself, S1, and also the earbuds. It's shaped like a Sabbath Ultra, so we'll test the fit later. And also, I think this is imported immediately from China. Everything is not even translated. They don't even sell it in China. Okay, opening the box. Inside we have the earbuds itself. Should be more dramatic, so so the earbuds itself, not covered by plastic wrapping like Halo telling you to remove the plastic layer. Oh, but there is a blue plastic here, and it's just cut like a rectangular there. Usually in Halo they shape it so that it's really nicely put there, right? But this is just the first time KZ went into True Wireless earbuds game, so yeah, you know what, whatever, it's small detail. What am I complaining here? Alright, so one thing that I noticed here, it has a metal tip and a metal mesh so that you can clean this very easily. It's very durable. I'm scraping off with my nails here. Wow, that is unseen before. It's written here hybrid technology. We're gonna see how that sounds. I think this hole is for the base port, and there's one more hole at the bottom, most likely to be for the microphone. One more thing is this earbud is significantly thicker than the Sabbath. So if you own a Sabbath or if you have seen one, this is gonna be bigger than that, and I think it will stick out a little bit more from your ear, just a little bit more over the Sabbath. We'll see in the full review if this will easily fall off if you put a hoodie or helmet or things like that. Anyway, let's take a further look at the case itself. First, we're going with the lid. It's all plastic built, by the way. The hinge is also plastic, and it's okay. It's not as bad as the Halos. I think this is in between the Halo and the Transmart there. The gray color is not particularly impressive, honestly speaking. But yeah, we got a USB-C right here, so that is super nice to see. And I've already got a couple scratches at the back. That's right out of the box. So wow. So one little thing that I would like to point out is this earbuds. They don't fit snugly inside these holes. They can wiggle around a little bit there. Not sure what that's for. Probably to accommodate larger ear tips, foam tips even. And also we have that's nice. We have a small circle button inside the case that when you press on it, you can check the battery indicators. It blinked green there for a brief second and it changes to orange, which means it will light up green if the case is full charged. 50% orange, and red is gonna be out of charge. That's nice. It's really cool to see that these cases really get more basic functions that usually you don't see in $20 earbuds. Okay, we can also see here that the case has 300 milliamp hour battery. Actually, this case is a little bit big. It reminds me of the Halo GT1 Pro case. While that having much larger battery, this one is a little bit short on the battery, so this is a capacity you would expect on the Halo GT1 original, that really small case. So this probably will last you for 3 to 5 days, but the earbuds itself is much bigger than the Halo, so it needs to accommodate the earbuds. That's why the case is there. So overall, I think for this whole package, I would say it is very close to the Transmart Onyx Neo, perhaps. Definitely better than the Halos, but not as good as, some of the more premium ones. Let's take a look at the rest of the package. Okay, we've got a very small USB-C cable there. It's like one span, still like that. Don't think it's very useful. And also we've got some more ear tips. Interestingly, we only have 2 sets of ear tips, like the one that's included in the earbuds itself, that's the medium to large size, that's one, and only another pair, probably I would say medium size, that's a large size. So yeah, I don't know, if you use the smallest ear tips, probably these might not fit you. Usually they give you 3 pairs minimum, but here it's only 2. That's very interesting. We have an inspection certificate, what is this, warranty card, and manual that's in Chinese and English, so that's good.
15 minutes later.
Okay, just took a brief moment there to read this book, and it's interesting to see that this has 40 milliamp hour battery each earbuds, and they rated it for 3 hours for music playback. So we're gonna test it out. 3 hours is actually honestly a little short. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. It's at nameken or testedbyken. That's where I do the battery testings. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Let's check out how it sounds. Does it have dual mode? And of course the gaming mode, I will compare it with the QCY T5 and GT1 Pro later on in a separate video. Make sure to say subscribe for that. Okay, now I have my phone ready, and let's take out both earbuds right now and see if, okay, that appears just as one, very clean. I think it has some kind of voice prompt here. Okay, let's see if this supports dual mode. Okay, I'm putting the left side and song is still playing. Putting the right side in, power on. So the right side was the master earbud, and so it doesn't go into pairing mode. So is this the master slave Bluetooth of old? I'm gonna wait. Okay, so there was like a good 10 to 15 seconds there for this to switch into its own mode, but it connects to the phone and it connects under the same name. So let me switch both earbuds again to see if this is the real thing, because yeah. Okay, power on, TWS connected. So now both is playing music. I'm gonna put the left side, wait, I'm gonna put the right side first. This is a slave earbuds, remember. Okay, music is still playing, TWS connected, and I'm gonna put the master earbud into the case. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Where actually it still is playing. Okay, so where is the master earbud now? I'm gonna take the left side out and power on, TWS connected, put the right side in. Music is still playing. Okay, that's good. Only at the very first pairing you will need to, you know, let the earbuds switch and reconfigure its stuff to connect to the phone. But after that, okay, power on, TWS connected. As long as both are connected, you can switch between earbuds just fine. Let's see if I switch quickly, can they, like, will this disappear? Okay, power on, and yeah, I think if connected just now. Okay, so you need to let them both connect first and put the earbuds that you don't want back to the case. If not, then you will have to wait for a couple seconds there. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to a couple songs here. I'm gonna tell you how it sounds and, you know, compare a little bit with the others. Wow. KZS1, paint me impressed. It is crazy. It is clear that this has the best sound out of all the others that I like personally picked here. You know, these are some of my bests. The top one, Halo GT1 Plus, I like it because of its sound. The top two, because of the features, like, you know, the spunky beat, but it sounds the same. This is the Onyx Neo, and this top 3 for gaming, QCY T5. The highs and the lows are much more present compared to the others. You can hear more of the highs, more detailed lows. That means, unfortunately, you don't get as much bass even though it's more detailed. If you listen to a lot of EDM songs, this is not for you. Go for the S1D, and it's so unfortunate that you don't get the gaming mode, but still, that one I think will perform much better in driving all those bass, because you know, it has dual dynamic driver, right? The balanced armature here and the dynamic driver in the S1 really works together, and I think KZ has a lot of experience in this already since they have one of the best wired earphones, right? I think it's pretty well known for that. Correct me if I'm wrong here. This is really such an impressive product, especially considering at this price. I think this could be my instant number one for everything. The case is just nice. The design itself, even though it's a little bit like more wiggly than I would like, even compared to the Sabbath, but yeah, this kind of shape is still providing like some support to your ear, so I think it should be better than, you know, the likes of Transmart or the Halo or whatever else, especially the QCY T5 here. Really easy to drop off in my ear. You've got battery indicator here, USB-C, and I've been talking through all that, but I haven't described the sound quality yet. So the sound quality, you know that the Halo GT1 Plus, it's a nice balanced sound. Highs are not that piercing. The bass, unfortunately, in the GT1 Plus is not that thumpy because it has more definition there. The Transmart is a little bit more on the brighter side of things, so you can hear the vocals better while also being very thumpy. At this point, I think, you know, they are pretty similar, but the KZ, it doesn't have as much bass like thump there, but the definition is much better. The presence, you can hear it better than the GT1 Plus here. So for example, some strings, some cello, right? Like it's present here, but in EDM songs, that boop boop boop, it's not really like, you know, it's not driving as much air compared to even the Transmart. That's surprising right there. But again, the highs, the vocals is even clearer than the Transmart. So I think if you want really nice earbuds for rock music, I just listened to Queen and Metallica there in my review playlist, and also an acoustic song by Akdong Musician. It's a Korean song. Really love it. It sounds so nice. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this, make a full review of it, compare it with all the other earbuds. I'm sure you are excited for that too. So yeah, I am feeling bad because I didn't review this as early as possible. So for those of you who bought the Halo or the Transmart, don't be sad. They are great earbuds. These differs like very slightly, but again, I have to give the edge to KZS1 here. That's setting a new bar here in the $20 range. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave the video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You can talk to me right there. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Kenneth, and I will see you in the next one. This is really worth pointing out, and also it's written here. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we are at the end of the video, and as I've promised, thank you very much for 20,000 of you who subscribe to my channel. I would like to do a small giveaway, and I think in this one I would just give away the KZS1 because it's just so good, and I would like to share to one of you. So one lucky winner, just comment down below, comment anything. You can say you want the KZS1, or you can say you want the Halo GT1 Plus, and I will still buy you a KZS1. So comment down below. I'll pick a winner in you know, let's say 7 days. Next week I'll pick a winner, put a post, you know, contact you, reply you. Oh, and also don't forget to leave like how can I contact you, email, social media, or stuff like that. So yeah, leave it down in the comments below. Wow, I'm excited for this. I would really appreciate it if you follow my Twitter and Instagram too. That would help a lot. I don't know anything about how to do a giveaway and how to, you know, like ask people to subscribe or stuff. Usually they do that, right? But no, it's just like I want to do this as quickly as possible, like the first 7 days, so that for those of you who, you know, come regularly to the channel and watch my videos, I would really like, you know, give something back to you as a part of my appreciation. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the giveaway. Thank you so much one more time. This really changed a lot, and I've really learned a lot, and I can't wait to share more with you in the coming future. So yeah, thank you so much. Stay tuned until next week.